Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Blissia OptiClear Pro Massager. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. The Blissia OptiClear Pro is sold as a smart eye massager designed to relieve tension, reduce dry eyes, and improve overall eye health using things like micropulse technology and infrared heat. The official website looks clean and makes some big claims, including that it's backed by clinical trials and trusted by professionals. But here's where things get murky. On Trustpilot, Blissia has a lot of negative reviews. We're talking complaints about how long shipping times, getting completely different products, no customer support, and a ton of people struggling to get refunds. The average rating is 1.6 stars out of 5, which is not great. Then you've got places like Reddit where people are calling out the company for shady marketing tactics. Some users mentioned how they were drawn in by aggressive ads, claiming it would cure eye conditions only to get a generic eye massager with no real medical benefit. Even Malware Tips Forum have flagged the site in discussions, warning buyers to be cautious due to sketchy refund practices and suspicious advertising methods. Now, the Courier Herald article does paint it in a positive light, but it honestly reads more like a sponsored piece than an unbiased review. So, is the Blissia OptiClear Pro Massager legit or a scam? Well, it's not completely fake. It's a real product that might help you with eye relaxation. But the over the top health claims, questionable customer service, and lack of medical proof are big red flags. If you're just looking for a calming eye massage after staring at screens all day, it might be fine, but if you're expecting it to fix your vision or treat serious eye conditions, don't count on it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.